Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue lesson number 6, composition of matter. Molecular formula and valency. There is a definite proportion of the constituent elements in a compound. Certain number of the atom of the constituent elements are joined to each other in a molecule of a compound. Molecular formula indicates the number of atoms of each of the constituent elements present in one molecule of a compound. A molecular formula includes the information regarding the symbol of all the constituent elements and their respective number as subscript. Subscript is a character, usually a letter or number, that is printed slightly below to the side of another character. For example, if you take example of molecular formula of water, the molecular formula of water is H2O. So this formula indicates how many atoms of hydrogen and oxygen are present and also which atoms of elements are present in water. So from the formula H2O, we understand that there are two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. So the number 2, which is written at the side of H, shows that there are two atoms of hydrogen. 2 is a subscript. If there is only one atom of any element, we don't show it as 1. It is understood that it is one atom even if we don't write the number 1. Valency. Valency is combining capacity of the element. We have seen the relation between a molecular formula and the number of atoms of various elements in a molecule. The ability of joining to another atom with a chemical bond is a chemical property of each atom. This ability is indicated by a number, and this number is called valency of that atom. Atom form as many chemical bonds with other atom as its valency. Generally, valency of an element remain constant in its various compound. If an element is found in different compounds, even then the valency of that element remains the same. It does not change from compound to compound. For example, elements like sodium, potassium, chlorine, hydroxide, their valencies are 1. You have studied about the electronic configuration. So the number of electrons in the outermost orbit are called as the valency electrons. Usually the valency is always a whole number. Elements like calcium, magnesium have valency 2. Aluminium have valency 3 and carbon has valency 4. Now we have a compound water. The molecular formula of water is H2O. The constituent element, that means the elements which form water molecule, are H and O, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Number of constituent elements, that means there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Second example. In hydrogen chloride, the molecular formula is HCl. The constituent elements are hydrogen and chlorine. Both of them have valency 1. Example 3. Methane. The molecular formula is CH4. The constituent elements are carbon and hydrogen. The number of constituent element is carbon 1 atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. Example 4. Magnesium chloride. The molecular formula is MgCl2. Constituent elements are magnesium and chlorine. The number of constituent elements are 1 magnesium atom and 2 chlorine atom.